Hello guys and welcome to our channel. In today's video, I will show you the step-by-step tutorial on how to upload longer videos to Instagram story. So by the end of this video, you will learn how to do them. So without further ado, let's get into it. So the first thing that we need to do is to open our Instagram app right here. And once we open our Instagram app, the next thing that we need to do is to make sure that our app or Instagram app is on the latest version. So if you think that your Instagram app isn't in the latest version, then the next thing that we need to do is to go to Play Store and then search for Instagram. And then after that, make sure that your Instagram is up to date. So as you can see right here, my Instagram is not up to date, so I'm going to update it right now. So let's wait for this to finish. And then after that, let's open the Instagram app. After that, you can now check if you can now post longer videos to Instagram story. So that is basically it for this video. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you learned something, and please don't forget to like and subscribe. Have a great day everyone.